Good afternoon, traders. This is Mike with Tactical Traders doing some end of the day scans today on December the 28th, 2020. And it's roughly about 20 minutes before close, so we are still in the market hours. And right now, I am looking at ticker symbol OCGN. And this is the 15-minute chart over the last 5 days of price history. In the last few days, we've gotten a lot of volume in this ticker, OCGN. And, it's going from roughly the sub penny area to all the way up to 305, and has a decent amount of volume. Even though today we have tapered off on the volume, we had the price gap up and actually hold on to those gains. So very important. But I just want to go over and highlight a couple things in this chart. Hopefully, highlight a nice profitable trade plan to go into the next couple days or weeks. So first off, I just want to show that we have some areas of resistance, and we're going to highlight that right now. One of the obvious ones being this 281, we'll call it just a $3 area above that. And then areas of support, we pretty much have one down here, but right around the 180. But the part that I'm really interested in right now is the $2.20 area. So the reason why I really like this area, the $2.20, is because in the past, it did act as resistance. 1 second, just want to clear these up so it's nice and clear for you all. All right. So we had some nice resistance in the past over here before it broke out. Came back down, tested that area of resistance as possible support. Back up to the 280 area, rejected again before gapping down and then going below that area of support. Bounced off the lower area of support at the 180 and then gapped up. Now with this gap up, it has been holding that 220 area the entire way. So anytime the price action breaks an old area of resistance and then is back tested as support, it's a pretty good sign for the bulls. And also we've been putting in some lower highs since that run up to the 305, and that's actually formed a nice bullish pattern on us. We're going to highlight that now. So we're just going to connect a few of these, and we'll just bring them right down. So what we have forming now is a descending triangle. I'm going to just highlight with the yellow so it's a little bit more clear. So the yellow line right now is the pattern that we're watching. So this descending triangle right here is usually a continuation pattern, means it's going to be continuing the overall trend. And as you can see, since these nice gap ups and the volume's been in here, the price has stayed above the 50 SMA and the 200 SMA. Both those SMAs on an up incline fashion, pretty much showing us that we're in a bullish context here. And we're looking to continue this trend. So what we're going to keep our eyes on, if you're not already in this trade, is we're going to be seeing if the 220 area can hold. And not only can it hold, can the price action push up and break through this top yellow trend line right here on an increased amount of volume. The volume is going to be key in this. As you can see, this ticker doesn't really move until that volume's in play. And any move up is going to convince us that it's going to be a nice, strong, bullish movement if there's volume at the same time as the move happens. So if you're looking to trade this, we're going to definitely be keeping an eye on that trend line. One area that I would prefer to enter in would be right here around this 240 area. So 240 obviously is above this yellow trend line here, but in the past it was acting as support. And then earlier today it was an area of resistance around the 240 to 245 area. So if the price action is able to break that 240 area with an increased amount of volume at the same time, I personally would like to take this long in a bullish trade. And with my first price target being roughly around 280, maybe a few cents before that, maybe 276, 275, something like that. And when I say my first price target, meaning that I will take off a portion of my shares there, maybe a quarter, maybe 30%, maybe 50%, and then let the rest ride to hopefully new gains. The second area would obviously be that nice whole number of $3. And then after that, we're going to actually pull back on the daily chart. And it doesn't look like we have any data points at this point. So anything past 305 is going to be a blue sky breakout. And we're not really going to have any price action to, check back and look at that. However, there is ways to roughly estimate on how far a new ticker like this can go. A ticker like this can go after breaking new highs, and the best way to look for that is on its range on previous breakouts. So in previous breakouts, you can see over here, we had we'll call it 2 to 260. So we're looking around a 60-cent move. That's kind of the range this likes to move in when it does have its big moves. So past $3, I would have a second price target at roughly around the 350 area, maybe 345, 340 if you want to be a little conservative, or maybe you can push it up to that 350 area. So again, we're going to be just watching for this descending triangle right here in the yellow lines to be broken with price action and volume increasing. 240 past 240 is our buy signal, with the first price target being 275 to 280 range, then the $3 range, and then on up to the 340 to the $350 range for the last profit taking area. Now, I'm not saying this ticker cannot go farther past that, but those are the three areas that we're highlighting now. All right, traders, well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And check us out at tacticaltraders.com, where you can get access to our live 24/7 chat room. Thank you for watching, traders, and until next time, stay profitable.